Hello friends, myself Arnab Kundu. You are watching my channel Technical Arquen. Today I will discuss another video on Python language. And today I will discuss how to convert from one number system to another number system using Python code. Actually, in Python there are lots of inbuilt functions like bin, oct, hex. Through that we can convert from decimal number system to binary, octal and hexadecimal number system respectively. But should remember, for this inbuilt function is concerned, this function only convert integer number to the respective number system like binary, octal and hexadecimal, but it can't convert floating point numbers. So I will discuss today's video how to convert from one number system to another number system and also reverse back. So go to the computer screen. Through Python IDE, I will discuss today's video step by step. So let's dive in. So friends, I'm just within the Python IDE and today I will describe how to convert from one number system to another number system using inbuilt function which is present in the Python library or in the Python program. Okay, so one after another I will describe step by step. So just go to the IDE. Okay, so at first we write a equal to 10. So 10 here is an integer. So at first we convert integer to binary. So in that case bin is a function, inbuilt function which converts the integer to a equivalent binary in form of string. Okay, so in that case we store the binary representation in form of string using the variable c, suppose, and just call bin and send the argument a, and if you print c and save it within the file example_3.py and press F5, just see it print 0b. So this is the 0b is the binary equivalent of an integer represented by the 0b. Just before 0b means is a binary representation. Actually it returns in form of string using this bin function. Okay, now if we convert again vice versa from this binary representation of in form of string to the integer, so again we can write the another variable d equal and then suppose write here int to convert into the decimal int and then write c comma and put the base. What the base of the binary is a 2, and if we again print d and save it, run it, so we got 10 here. Should remember, bin is an inbuilt function which converts integer to binary equivalent in form of string, but it can't convert any floating point, only convert the integer numbers, right? So same way if we convert from decimal to octal, in that case we are using, instead of bin, just write oct, oct, and same way whatever the conversion is there, it start with 0o, right? And in that case when we reverse back or vice versa from octal to decimal, we put the argument 8 here because the base is 8. Save it, run it, just see the equivalent octal of 10 is 12 in octal. That's why we represent 0o. And when convert again this string, which is actually an octal equivalent of this decimal 10 in form of string, again reverts back to decimal, it again print 10, right? And same way if we want to convert from decimal to hexadecimal, so we put here the function hex. It's also an inbuilt function, and here we write the base 16 for reverse back or vice versa from hexadecimal to decimal. You should remember these three built-in function bin, oct and hex all only can convert from integer to their respective number system equivalent in form of string, right? So if we run this code, we got the hexadecimal equivalent of 10 is a, we already know, so that's why 0x, yes, 0x is represented by the hexadecimal number in Python, so 0x and then A. Again, this hexadecimal equivalent in form of string, if we convert into decimal, we got 10. So today's video is very simple. We are using here three inbuilt function. One is bin, another is oct, another is hex. All can convert from integer to their respective number system, means binary, octal and hexadecimal respectively. But we can't convert using these three inbuilt function any floating point to their respective number system. And also you can reverse back from their number system to decimal number system, just put their base. For binary, put 2 within the int this function. If the oct, we put 8, and for hexa we put 16. I hope you have understood today's video. If you have some doubts for today's video is concerned, just write in the comment section. I will try to solve this problem. Those who are still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Keep watching Technical Arnab for more videos. So today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.